What's the meaning of arid? Arid. Arid.
Arid. Arid. The word arid refers to an environment or climate that is very dry and lacking in water. Arid regions receive very little precipitation and are often characterized by their desert landscapes. Due to the lack of water, vegetation in arid areas is typically sparse and adapted to conserve water. The dry conditions in arid regions can make it difficult for humans and animals to survive without access to water sources. Overall, arid describes an environment that is hostile to life as we know it, and is often a challenging place to live or work.